Ever watched a character in a story rise to greatness only to fall spectacularly because of their own flaws? That's the essence of Aristotle's tragic hero. From Shakespearean plays to modern blockbusters, this archetype continues to captivate audiences with its mix of nobility, vulnerability, and downfall. Aristotle first defined the tragic hero in his work Poetics, where he analyzed the elements of Greek tragedy. According to him, a tragic hero isn't just any character. They are someone extraordinary yet relatable, whose journey evokes both fear and pity in the audience. The key is that their downfall stems from a fatal error in judgment, or what he calls hamartia. One of the most famous examples of a tragic hero is Oedipus from Sophocles' play Oedipus Rex. Oedipus starts as a noble king admired by his people for solving the riddle of the Sphinx and saving Thebes. But his relentless pursuit of truth combined with his pride leads him to uncover a horrifying reality. He has unknowingly killed his father and married his mother. His eventual self-blinding and exile evoke deep pity and fear, fulfilling Aristotle's vision of tragedy. So, what makes a tragic hero tragic? Aristotle outlines several key characteristics. First, they must be of high status or possess extraordinary qualities, making their fall even more striking. Think of Macbeth, a brave and loyal soldier who becomes a ruthless king driven by ambition. Second, their downfall is caused by a mistake, not pure evil. For instance, Hamlet's indecisiveness and overthinking leads to chaos and tragedy despite his good intentions. Another crucial element is anagnosis, or the moment of recognition, when the hero realizes their role in their undoing. In Antigone, Creon stubbornly enforces his laws against divine will, only to recognize too late that his hubris has destroyed his family. But a tragic hero's fate isn't entirely deserved. There is often an element of injustice or inevitability that tugs at our hearts. For example, in Romeo and Juliet, their impulsiveness and the feud between their families seal their tragic fates. This balance between personal accountability and external forces creates a powerful emotional resonance. Why does Aristotle's tragic heroes still matter today? Because these stories remind us of our shared humanity. Tragic heroes are flawed, just like us, and their struggles mirror the complexities of real life. They teach us about the consequences of unchecked ambition, pride, or emotion, while also inspiring empathy.